Hi everyone and welcome to What's Emily Making. Today I'm going to show you how to create your own Christmas centerpiece to add a little extra cheer to your dining table. I start with this 3-compartment silver plastic tray I found at the Dollar Tree. I fit blocks of floral foam into each compartment, making sure that it was very snug. I found these clear plastic ornaments at the Dollar Tree as well. I remove the tops and I glue each one to a piece of foam. I start placing sprigs of cypress all around the container. If you don't have access to fresh greenery, that's fine. You can just use faux. I place the larger sprigs towards the base of the container and the smaller sprigs towards the top. Next, I'm going to add in this variegated euonymus. I think the two-tone really makes the piece pop. In my opinion, texture is better than color. Next, I'm going to add in some sprigs of boxwood. I think that the glossy dark green leaf is a nice contrast to the euonymus and the cypress. When choosing your greenery, you want different leaf shapes, so some are going to be needle-like and some are going to be rounder. It just adds more visual appeal. To give the piece a pop of traditional red color, I found these faux holly berries. I put them throughout the sprigs, underneath and in between. I found this sheet moss at Michael's, which I'm going to use around the base of the ornaments. I think the moss adds a really natural look, giving the illusion that the ornaments are grown from the earth. Last, I added in some pine cones and a few sparkly ornaments. To complete the piece, I put water in the ornaments and I filled them with white camellias. If you don't have access to white flowers, you could always go to the floral department of your grocery store. If you like what you saw today, hit that plus sign and give me a follow for more What's Emily Making. Bye y'all!